Meowio, welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce to you Hibernate mode on Windows and how to turn it on. Hibernate is a power saving state which helps you saving your working status on your desktop or laptop before turning it off. Just let's imagine that you are editing a video and then your mom tells you that you have to eat lunch and you want to turn it off to save the electricity energy. So Hibernate is a good choice at this time. This mode will help you saving everything from your opening files, settings of Windows or running applications on system when you are working from ARM to SSD or HDD when you turn it off. And when you turn your desktop on again, your working status still remains as before. Very interesting, right? As you could see, now it just had 3 modes: sleep, shutdown, and restart. I will go to Start menu, type Control Panel. Change to the large icon. Keep going to Power Options. And click to choose what the power buttons do. And continue to click to change settings that are currently unavailable. And then tick to the Hibernate option. If you are using a laptop, these options will help you saving your battery too much. Click to the Save Change to save these settings. Now go back to Start menu to watch. Now we are successfully turned the Hibernate mode on. Let's check it out. Like and comment if this video is useful. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell ting 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 to see my next videos. Bye!